A very good morning, everyone. This is your host Meenal Gupta from Army Public School, Delhi Cant, Primary Wing, and today we are here to make you learn about fireless cooking. We are going to introduce here few of the words, vocabulary words, and we are going to do the fireless cooking as well, where we are going to make sandwich. Okay, so let us begin. Here are the ingredients of our sandwich making. So ingredients are basically the items that you are going to use while you make your sandwich. So here we can also say ingredients, हम सामग्री भी बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में. So here I have taken tomato slices. These are coriander leaves, cucumber, butter. These are the basic ingredients, and we have seasoning here. This is our second vocabulary word. As you can see, it's seasoning, right? So we are going to put, it's basically जो आपके मसाले होते हैं आप क्या यूज़ करेंगे इसमें. So I have taken here black pepper powder, काली मिर्च powder. This is black salt, काला नमक बोलते हैं हम इसको, and this is चाट मसाला. Okay, so these are the basic things which are found in almost everyone's households. Okay, so now we are going to start with our and also the bread in our ingredients. So these are all our ingredients and the seasoning. Okay, so step 1 is we are going to spread the butter. We're going to take a knife, right, butter knife, and then just take some amount and you can spread the butter. The next vocabulary word is spreading. So what is spreading the butter? It's like when you put the butter, a thin layer of butter over the bread with a knife. This is known as spreading the butter. Very well. Okay, so this is the first step. The second step is putting the slices of tomato and cucumber. Okay, so I'm done with spreading the butter nice and well. Now I'm placing the tomato slices just like this and like this. Now you can put cucumber. And after doing this, after placing the cucumber, we are going to add the seasoning. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so first I am taking black salt, a pinch, just a pinch of black salt over it nicely, and then I'm taking just a small pinch of black pepper. See, you can skip this if you want, this is just optional. If you want you can put this or you can also skip this, and a pinch of chaat masala I'm taking. So it's done. Now I can cover it with another bread piece, just press it a bit, and now you can cut it with knife and make it into two halves. So our sandwich is now ready to be eaten. Okay children, now that our sandwich is done, we are going to garnish it. You can also garnish it. Garnish is like आप इसको थोड़ा creative बना सकते हो, presentable बना सकते हो. So we call it garnishing. So I am using this ketchup pouch to garnish my sandwich. And I am using few coriander leaves here. So now my sandwich is ready. You can garnish as per your own creativity. So thank you so much and happy learning.